So you've got a broken TV. That happened to my colleague's old Samsung recently, and we had two options. One, pay for an expensive authorized repair, or two, for not that much more money, buy a new one. That means sending this old TV to an e-cycler, or worse, the dump. But there's a third option the electronics industry doesn't really want us to know about. When I searched the web for repair advice for this particular Samsung, I found I could do it myself with $20 worth of parts and tools. Not every tech problem is this easily fixed. Still, we deserve the right to try. Some manufacturers stop us by limiting access to repair plans or parts. Others even employ digital software locks to keep us from making changes or repairs. It may not always be planned obsolescence, but it's certainly intentional obfuscation. In the case of this TV, Samsung doesn't make its repair manuals public, reserving them for authorized shops only. But the fix turned out to be an easy, four-step process that required just generic parts and next to zero knowledge of electrical engineering or computer science. First, I opened up the TV, pulled out the power supply board, safely removed 6 busted capacitors. No, not flux capacitors, just these little guys. I enlisted an experienced tinkerer to help me do the soldering, but I promise it isn't much harder than using a glue gun. I replaced the dead capacitors with spares I bought online, then screwed everything back together. The end result was a smashing success. I'm not about to get into the repair business, but my experience supports the argument that skilled gadget owners and independent repair pros deserve access to the information they need to get the job done. That's not only good for the environment, but also good for us.